In 1947, scientists in the Galapagos Islands observed a peculiar phenomenon. Certain species of birds, like the albatross, formed lifelong mating bonds. This behavior puzzled researchers. Why would these birds choose monogamy in a world where survival often meant spreading one's genes widely? As it turns out, the answer lay in the harsh environment. Lifelong bonds ensured cooperation in raising offspring, increasing their chances of survival. This discovery led to a deeper understanding of animal behavior and the importance of partnership in nature. Could this teach us something about our own relationships?